Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup stock. First, gather your essential aromatic vegetables: 2 medium carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion. Don't forget to save your vegetable scraps like potato peels, mushroom stems, or herb sprigs. They add incredible depth. You'll also need a large stock pot, ideally an 8-quart size, to accommodate all your ingredients comfortably. This simple preparation sets the stage for a flavorful base. Next, roughly chop all your vegetables into 1-inch pieces. There's no need for perfect cuts since you'll strain them later. Peeling is entirely optional, as the skins contribute to the stock's color and nutrients. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your large stock pot over medium heat. Sauté the chopped vegetables for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. This crucial step caramelizes them, developing a richer, deeper flavor for your stock. Now pour 12 cups of cold water into the pot, ensuring all the vegetables are fully submerged. Add 1 bay leaf, 10 whole black peppercorns, and a few parsley stems for extra aromatic notes. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer uncovered for at least 1 hour, or up to 2 hours, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. This slow simmer extracts maximum goodness. Finally, it's time to strain your delicious homemade vegetable stock. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve into a large, clean bowl. Gently press on the solids to extract any remaining liquid, then discard the cooked vegetables. They've given all their flavor. Allow the stock to cool completely to room temperature, which takes about 2 hours. Then, transfer it to airtight containers and refrigerate for up to 5 days, or freeze for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.